Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Yes, we're back at a Jeep project. Some of you guys go out in the woods, you go out in the snow, you go out in the sand. One of the things you got to do is air down your tires. We're going to go through a few ways you can do it, but we're going to also show you the real easy way. The easy way is to buy a set of these. I'll put a link below to these. Let's go through and show you how people normally air down a tire, which is time consuming, and they got to go to all four places. Let's show you the quick way. So stay tuned. So how do most people air down a tire? We've got your BF Goodrich 2KO. We're sitting up at about 44 pounds right now, street pressure, and we want to lower it. With this device, I can push here and let the air out, and then I can stop and I can keep looking. The other thing I can do is just pull the handle, it comes out there, but it comes out a lot slower there. So when I push this button, I can just keep doing this till I get down to the 20 pounds I want. And then I move on to another tire. You see how slow this is? I mean, I'm not even to 30 yet. So let's talk about these devices. I've preset two of these, and I will show you how to preset yours. So basically, this is preset to 20 pounds. So now I can put it on here. Screw it on. There you go. I can walk away. Let's go put one on another tire. So you can go around, put these on all your tires like this, and they're all doing it at the same time, and the air's going down. This is going to automatically shut off when it gets to the right pressure. You can see the tires start to bulge out. Not fast, but keep in mind we're doing all four at once now because of these devices we bought. Once you get this cap set on here, there's a collar you can take and tighten so it won't come loose. And here, slow down a little bit. As the air pressure gets lower, the air comes out slower. But remember now, we're doing all four at once this way because we put these on all four when we're out at the woods. Boop. See that? It went off. So now this tire's been lowered. So we can take this off. We'll put that with our ones that are adjusted. We'll put this back on, show you what we did. Look what we did. There we are. We're down right at 20 pounds. So to set one of these up, take this collar, turn it all the way against this shoulder. Turn it on, and you can see how we're leaking air already. We don't want to leak a lot of air, but we're going to leak some. You can adjust this big knob till the air stops coming out by turning it in. You turn this in clockwise, and then the air will stop. Same sort of deal here. Now we're going to take this collar to lock it in place. We're going to run this collar up, tighten it against there, and that's set. So now we have three of them set at 20. So there you go. Four nice little devices here that you can put on your Jeep tires to air down for going out on the track, out on the woods, out on the sand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Please use the Amazon link below. Help support the channel. We're going to go inside. We're going to get ourselves a little bag for these so we can keep them nice and clean.